Hi everyone, today we're going to make it all the way to Tumpak Sewu on this beautiful mountain road south of Gunung Semeru. Let's have fun, let's ride on. I'm glad that you're enjoying it. This is cool. The other place where it says Lumajang, we might have been on this road, but we'd have missed the show. I'm happy we got the show. Well, here we are at Tumpak Sewu. Pretty busy. The parking lot is very busy. And here's Liam. Am I going to catch him? Almost. Yeah. He's in the act of. Let's hope he loses his towel. Yeah. Let's try to catch a glimpse of him for eternity on YouTube. I think I got your ass there, mate. Yeah, the motorbike's done well. Rosie's had a nice run. Quite happy with her today. Let's hope she can give us a nice run on the way back. We plan on going back from here probably in a few hours, and we'll go through probably Bromo or Semeru anyways. All right, we're on the way to the waterfall. Quite a steep road. Apparently it gets better. There we are, Tumpak Sewu. We're at the viewpoint right now. It's quite nice. Pretty high. I'm not sure you can see everything, it's pretty far. But we'll go down later and maybe have a jump in. Going down to the waterfall now. It's pretty steep. But so far there are some steps. Let's have a look. Whoa! Well, this is where we are now. It doesn't look so safe, but we're going to take it easy. A bit crazy. Well, now we got some stairs. It's a bit easier, but very steep. We made it to the bottom. This is Tumpak Sewu. Quite a climb, or climb down anyways. Not easy. We had to climb down through a river. Very slippery. Quite scary, eh? But look at the champ. She did it. She did it. All right. Truly magnificent. Very nice view. Wow. Nice one. Tumpak Sewu, harus ke sini. Cantik sekali. Banyak orang ke sini. Oke, sekarang harus naik lagi. We have to go up now. Now we got to go up this here. It's crazy, but feasible. We've made it. Well, almost. Here's the rest of the crew over there. Have a look at the sign behind me. Yeah, quite a journey, but we made it. And now we're just going to have another 10-minute walk up to the motorbikes, and we'll head back to Surabaya towards Bromo. So we're going to backtrack a little bit and head back towards Malang, and there we'll take a cut-off and go towards Gunung Bromo, which is a volcano. Once we get to Bromo, we're going to go back to Probolinggo on the other side and then find our way back to Surabaya. Okay, let's ride on. Shit!
Running your phone and then now, and jacket, it's freezing.
Whoa, okay, all sorted? Off we go. Come on up.
Masih tutup.
Kalau mau pulang ke Surabaya bagaimana?
Kembali lagi, Pak.
Oh, we're gonna see the sunset. Look! Oh wow, it's beautiful. By the looks of it, we weren't able to get into through Bromo. There's some fires in Semeru apparently. So we've got to go all the way back down to Malang and then take the road from Malang to Surabaya. So probably an extra hour. The sun is coming down, as you could see. Beautiful sunset. It's been a nice day. It's been a great day. Safe drive and everything. Now we'll probably do the rest in darkness, but still the roads were nice, so I expect that we'll be there in a few hours. Cheers. Thanks for signing on. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I'll talk to you later. I hope to see you on the road, and sampai jumpa lagi.